YouTube, it's your boy Jay. So we're back here on New Investments. Welcome back to the channel. Again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Today we're going to be going over chart analysis on the week, and we're looking at gold. It's my favorite instrument to go ahead and trade besides the NASDAQ. So we're just going to look, see if we can see any type of patterns it's making, want to see any trends. Like I said, it really shouldn't take you long when looking at the chart. To me, it should take you like 5 minutes. If you can't figure out what you're looking for in 5 minutes, you should probably leave it alone for the day. So anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. So off the bat, we're looking at the 1 hour. We do see a small gap here. We can see that we've pretty much been stuck in consolidation. So we want to kind of break away all these wicks. See at the top, it has about 4 wicks. At the bottom, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wicks. So yeah, we kind of want to break out of this zone. So that's what I see on the 1 hour with us going up. Let's go ahead and switch over to the 30-minute time frame and see if we can see anything else. But so far, we look bullish. All right, so here now we're on the 30-minute. Again, I kind of see the same thing. I don't really see any big difference. Looks like we're going up. Pretty much filled every spot we could. So let's go ahead and switch it over to the 15-minute. Man, trading view is so slow sometimes. Okay, here we go. So yeah, on the 15-minute again, I don't really see any downside. I see a quick fill to the upside. And yeah, we kind of want to get in between this range where the box starts at around 347 to 350. That's about $300. Could go ahead and potentially make if we go ahead and go in that direction. But again, all of this is just predictions. None of this is like, it's not set in stone. The market can make these plays. It doesn't have to. Remember, we don't make the market. The market's manipulated. You got banks. You got, billionaires playing in the market. So just, be aware of that and just make it make sense. So yeah, that's pretty much what I see on the 15-minute. I don't see anything different, just at that 350.7. And then, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and change. I'm just waiting on trading view. It's so slow sometimes. Yeah, you definitely want to see momentum, though, come through that box. And once we do that, you can kind of hold off just because I don't see anything else at the top. Unless we do go through that top zone past the box, that consolidation, we can continue going up. But other than that, on the 15, the 30, and the 1 hour, everything looks bullish to me so far. Let's go ahead and... I don't know why trading view is taking so long. I'm trying to go ahead and change the time frame. All right, so here we are on the 4 hour, and as you can see, there's a couple of zones we have at the bottom. So let me go check that back out on the 1 hour, because I definitely drew those last week. We came through one zone and then we just went straight back up. So let me go ahead and see. Let me change it to 1 hour so we can see, because I definitely remember that time frame. Okay, here we are in the 1 hour. So yeah, so we have 3 imbalances. So we kind of want to, see what happens with these. It looks like I said, we're going to go up and touch that 350 to 360 area, that order block, and then we're going to drop off and just start selling. Once we start selling past this big red candle right here, that's the lowest low, that big wick, then we should go ahead and we should be able to print money. We should just be printing for the rest of the day. So that's what I see on the 4 hour, the 1 hour, the 30, the 15, the 5. Again, it shouldn't be that hard to go ahead and make a decision and a bias on what you're looking at. So anyways, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with friends, and I will catch you guys in the next one.